In this video, I'll talk about an RSI strategy that works well for Forex and for crypto because I trade both. If you've seen my channel, I had some stock calls, some Forex calls, some crypto calls. There's a few interesting things about the RSI indicator because, to be honest, I use it a little bit too much. I even use it to exit my trades. I have RSI alerts, as you can see here, 3 RSI alerts, and I've got an alert log of a lot of RSI alerts. So I'll show you different ways to actually use the RSI indicator. But before we start, all you gotta do is slap the like button, or I'll slap you subscribe, because my enemies are coming and told me, Niki, you better get 50k subscribers. You need 50k subscribers when we come to see you. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. I have a crypto signals group in the description below, and I've got a bonus for you from my sponsor at MEX Exchange. If you want to short and long altcoins, futures, you can short coins that you think can rug pull there. So you can get insane results. If you're a professional trader, by the way, this video is not financial advice. I'll show you how to get $525 in bonuses if you watch the video all the way until the end. Let's talk about the strategy, the RSI strategy. We'll go on a naked chart. I don't want to have too many, so use this one. And then I'll remove a few things from it to make it a little bit more convenient. Yeah, this trade is pumping. We've had some really, really good trades today. Just closed a 5K profit trade in my signals group for USD GPY. I caught it with the VM strategy. I called it in the morning. You can check me on that. But I've used RSI to filter it with the screener and then with the alerts. So the first thing you want to do is just go ahead on TradingView, go and sign up for TradingView. There's a link for it in the description down below. Click on the indicator option right here, type in RSI and add it in from here. So you gotta do. You can even remove volume. We'll remove the EMA as well. So now all you have here is RSI, and this is on the daily chart, by the way. This is all you have right here is RSI and the chart. Oh, and if you're on this candle, so you gotta do is click here and Heikin Ashi, way better candles. Now, what is the next thing you should know? Because there's more things you should know. Wow. I'm just monitoring a few trades. The RSI indicator got updated. So if you watched an older video, if you have the old one, just click remove, add it in again. And I use the 14 period RSI, works really well for me right here. They also have an RSI based MA, or moving average. This basically show you, are we going up or down? So in this situation right here, and the way I use RSI, the first thing I use it for is to determine the situation. I think you should use RSI in conjunction with other indicators. Do not use it alone with nothing else. You would lose trades. I've showed examples of, okay, I'll show you an example why you shouldn't use RSI alone, even on the daily. Look at this. We've had low RSI for a while, and you could have longed here based on the RSI. And a really good strategy to long based on RSI is, this right here, when the RSI moves above the moving average, which would result in a long right here, where you would get liquidated. I made a video on why you shouldn't trade with RSI in this way. Let me just monitor a trade because I have to close the BTC long in a little bit. So something you should definitely understand about the chart is you cannot use RSI alone, especially on crypto. On Forex sometimes you can, because it's more it circles within zones a little bit more. And also here I'll show you example that you can't use it. You would have longed here, and if you didn't exit here, you would have been going down all the way here, which was gonna be an issue. So crypto, for some time frames, it works really well with RSI, in my opinion, like the 4-minute, the 5-minute chart on most of the crypto assets. For Forex, only USD GPY. Backtested this. You should use the trend and other indicators if you want to trade based on RSI. But this is just a rough understanding of how it works. Euro, you can trade it. I've made a terrible mistake of using RSI in general when trading euro to franc. This was a terrible idea, especially on the lower time frames. You had all these buy signals, and all of them basically failed. You can't really use it in any way, shape, or form. Look at this. You would have bought here, and you would have lost 100 pips within the move if you didn't have a stop. So the way I use RSI is, and normally you have to use it with other indicators like the 200 EMA, but you basically buy as soon as price goes above here, you enter, or above here, you enter. You can close at higher RSI and set an alert, just like I do. I set an alert to monitor trades after 67 RSI, 33 for shorts. You can short right here, which would have been a really good short from what I can see right here on the 4-minute. If we use the daily for Forex, it seems to be very good. Let's go on auto here. Look at this, short, boom. Short, boom. This is probably going to be the thumbnail as well. I'll mark it up for you. I use it in conjunction with other indicators and I use it to determine the trend. But here it is. You short here, you take profit. That's how it will look like. Let me know if you have any questions about RSI. In general, no real trader will use just RSI. If someone's telling you just use RSI and 200 EMA, that would not be a proper answer. And this person has set up his trades to look cool. Oh, I forgot to give you the bonus because you stayed all the way until the end. We have the MEXC bonus. Check this out. 13 days left. The Futures Newbie event. You gotta sign up using my link for MEXC. Then you sign up for the MEXC fans right here. This is the campaign period. Here the rewards, 10% discount, $25 and $500. You can read about the rules. It's very simple to enter. You can find this on all of my videos, so probably have it added right now because I forgot to add it on a few videos. And I think it's worth it, especially for new traders. It would definitely be beneficial, in my opinion. We need free stuff as new traders. Definitely, we need free stuff. Everyone needs free stuff, as much free stuff as we can get. Let me know if you have any questions again. Yeah, I've got a bunch of trades. Let me just show you an example of how I closed trade based. I had an alert for got a close in. Yeah, it's not this. I'm using the wrong training. I've got a few training view windows open. Alerts right here, and this hasn't updated, but I have more alerts. If we go on active, I had a USD GPY alert, and before the alert, I actually closed it right here because I didn't like the formation on the 4-minute chart. It was probably a good idea that I closed it. I basically use alerts to close my trades. I opened it because of the Wumenchu and other indicators. I have a whole video on that. Let me just show you the video. It should be out now. So when you go on my channel, the latest videos are refreshing. I've made a video about EMAs and another video. Here it is, super trend. I use Wumenchu and super trend and a bunch of other indicators to figure that out. So yeah, let me know what you think. See you next video. Bye.